During the winter, when it's cold and snowy outside, you might not be thinking about your garden, but it's actually the perfect time to look through some seed catalogs and start planning things out. Today we're going to show you 3 tips on how to look through a seed catalog. The first thing to consider when picking out seeds is if you want heirloom or hybrid varieties. Heirloom varieties are also called open pollinated, and they have been passed down from generation to generation. They offer a lot of color, forms, and flavor, but you're trading off disease resistance and higher producing yields. Hybrid varieties are a cross between 2 parent plants. They produce lots of fruit and they have high disease resistance. It's also a good idea to plan out your garden. It's fun to read through the catalog and make a wish list, but then sketch out your garden plot and decide what plants will fit. It's often important to consider the yield, the size of the plant, the size at maturity, and the form that the plant will take. Also remember that it's fun to plant things that your family will eat and enjoy over the summer. Number 3 is to help you read the catalog. It's important to look at the first page to see the catalog symbols key. Catalogs can be a little confusing, so it's helpful to look at these symbols to know if the vegetables need full sun, partial sun, shade, if they can be planted in a container, and how many days to maturity from seed to harvest. To learn more about how to pick out seeds for your summer garden and for some great resources from K-State, follow the link below.